empower members and communities. For the past 6 years, she has served as the General Manager of Holy Tribe Multipurpose Cooperative, guiding its growth and ensuring that it continues to uphold the values of cooperation and sustainability. Beyond her managerial expertise, she is also a trained facilitator in financial literacy education, helping members and fellow cooperators better understand and manage their financial resources. Through her efforts, many have been empowered to make informed financial decisions, which has greatly contributed to the success of both individuals and the cooperative as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome our speaker, Mrs. Heidi Liza